Hey guys, Jesse here from King Domes. Just doing a quick real world video test of the structural integrity of our domes. As you may see, it is extremely windy at the moment. Hopefully you guys can hear me. That's just showing you how windy it is at the moment. But yeah, just mind the mess, because we are still technically on a job site, so the domes aren't quite finished. There's no flapping about. There's no need to worry that the dome's going to pick up and fly away. So that wouldn't be a very good situation. And this is, well, some of it's ice, some of it's snow. Sorry, water. Because we are here in the snowy mountains of New South Wales. But yeah, just how peaceful, how calm it is. Definitely don't have to worry about high winds. Got the rainbow there. I don't know if you can see the moon next to it. How cool is that?